Here's a demo of our NextTicket solution that will help your service teams know which is the next right ticket is to work on based on a series of parameters that ranks the importance of tickets and serves it up whenever a service agent is ready to work on that next ticket.
This is one we say, you guys see we have the different team, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have the San Francisco, team 2, team 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what it says, if they say, hey, Daniel, you are hired for the team 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first day. You said, Daniel going to come in and say, oh, you are very seasoned. You don't need training. You worked in the MSP for 10 years. You know what you're doing.
Right.
Which ticket you should work first? The MSP, the next ticket says, go work on this ticket. Right? Go work on this ticket. So this is a click there, boom, it goes to the ConnectWise. Or you can do is you don't even need to log in. You just come here, says NT, which is we really, really want to save technicians' time.
Yeah.
So we
next ticket.
Next ticket, right? We say,
Mm-hmm.
hey, I type, 10 letters if we can type 2 letters, right? So Daniel comes in and says, hey, first day here, which ticket I should work on? Type NT, click this, go work on that. Oh, why am I working on this one? Oh, if you are interested, we'll explain later, but just go there. Most technicians don't care. My job is just fixing ticket. You say, I work on this one? Okay, I'll do it. Oh, I finished this one. What's next? Next ticket, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a literally official training and the dispatch process. But as you and business owner, COO, service manager, you need to do the hard work. What's the hard work? We suggest you spend about 4 hours or 8 hours, whatever the time, right? Go define the party rules, right? So let me go back here, right? Where's the next ticket? So the user experience is app, next ticket, and a couple of seconds later, right? Bam, we give you the ticket. There, it's a 5-6 second. Reality behind the thing, if you click here, so it's actually there's 50 tickets open, right? Team 6 open tickets, 50 of them. So all those 50 tickets, we see these points. This is how we determine which one is more important. There are some like 100,000 points, right? There's some like negative points, right? So all this kind of stuff here. So how exactly these points are calculated? That's what we call working on the business. The management need to decide. Right. So like situation right now, you have a dispatcher, let's say his name is John, right? John comes in and says, hey, friends, next month I have this blah, blah reason. I need to take 3 weeks vacation, right? You're like, oh, now what? Okay, Daniel, come here, right? Go train with John for a week. So at least you can cover that 3 weeks. So we don't get like go crazy, right? So then Daniel gonna go, okay, I'm here. John, what's the training? John gonna say, here's typically how I dispatch ticket, right? If this ticket is assigned to a current user, it is more important for that user. Right? If this company has no payment, service, collection, don't dispatch it.
Yeah,
negative 100,000. I really, really don't want to do it, right?
Right.
And if this one, right, blah, 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 this, right, watch list, right? This client has been threatened to leave, pissed off, five complaints. Let's show them some love, right? Kiss their behind, so hopefully we can save them, right? There's another watch list or something like, if there's a decision maker, do it sooner. But if they're super VIP, right, do it even sooner. COO sooner. Controller, kind of like important, but not that important. President, whatever.
I gotcha. Yep.
Right. If a technician already have a ticket in progress, tell them keep working on that. Don't ask me for a new one. You already have a ticket in progress. Oh, this Daniel is in progress. Don't dispatch to anybody else. Right. The more money they pay us, the more important. The past due, the longer they past due is more important. Higher the priority, more important. By this time, I'm like, oh, hold on, John. I need to write down. This is too much, right?
Yeah.
You said CEO is important and the pay more money is important. What if a CEO for $1,000 company and a regular user for $6,000 company? Which one should do first? It's almost like follow your heart, right?
Yeah, right.
One, right? it's not done yet, right? SLA. Oh, this
Hmm.
ticket is next Friday. Don't dispatch it. Don't even open it, right? But hey, if you don't open it, how do you know it's a right?
Right.
The ticket owner, status, summary, if it's included, right? Like a Sophos, high level, or the SL expired, right? Ticket
Hmm.
type, of course, this, right? So status and user skill set, right? It's this
Hmm.
support with this kind of skill set. End of the day, the reality is there's no human being exists in the world, right? Can calculate 50 tickets based on those 20, 30 rules you set in five
Right.
seconds. So ends of the day, nobody calculate that. So ends of the day, most people just randomly or somehow have some kind of very rudimentary prioritization. Nobody, no dispatcher look at all these factors. It's just
Right.
impractical, right? Unrealistic to ask human to do this, right? But this is all you need to. Most of them, natural language, right? And if
Yeah.
there are any rules, we challenge people. Says, oh, what if this situation? We say, can we translate it to if this then that, right? If we
Hmm.
can, develop the rules. So you spend those couple of hours, right? Typically, those couple of hours, even with pre-built rules, is already way better than your current employee and dispatcher you
Hmm.
have there. And then, but we still need a dispatcher 20%, right? We want them to make sure the data is accurate, right? We want them to make sure, right, some urgent task. We want them to handle the on-site because we cannot handle the on-site, the weather, the traffic, what
Hmm.
time
Right.
is user there or not, right? All those kind of stuff gonna determine, right, if we should do it. So there's still something in the dispatch, but from the technician standpoint, just NT, they totally eliminated and even the dispatcher, right? They don't micromanage every technician. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Why you do that ticket, right? First or later.
Hmm.
Many times they assign a bunch of a ticket. The technician still need to determine which ticket.
Which
For
ticket to
us,
work next? Right.
yeah, this is just what you do. So
Okay.
that's the next ticket. Make sense?
It does make sense. Yes.
Any
That's
questions about this?
fantastic. No, that's fantastic. I mean, I guess the only thing would be if you have something pre-built that I mean, I working on the business rather than in the business is fantastic. So I'm
Yeah.
willing to invest 8, 16, 24 hours to build that out. I just wonder if you have like a best practice one skeleton foundation already built. Like, is what you showed me kind of your foundation?
No, not really. This is just a
Okay.
demo. We are
Okay.
working with people. We say what's the most popular ones,
Hmm.
right? But what I found out is the challenge is the each company do things
Differently.
differently,
Yeah.
right? So what we do here, for example, this one, right? We give you this option, right? You see this save and test rules, right?
Hmm.
You can do it all individually, right? You do it
Hmm.
all individually. For example, this one, you click this, right? You say, okay, I want to save this and testing that. Then we give you all the current tickets, right? My computer is CPU fans go crazy. I should have rebooted my computer before join. Yeah. So we give you this, right? Then you can say,
Hmm.
oh, the president CEO got a lot of points, right?
Hmm.
Owner, right? Then you go down, you keep going down, you say office manager, administrator, yeah, none of oh, CPA, I don't care, CPA, right? Regional
Right.
sales, no, no. Oh, facility manager, right?
Maybe bump
Maybe
him up a couple points.
exactly. So
Yeah.
all you need to do is copy this, then go back, add a rule.
Yeah. I
You
gotcha.
add this one, come here, do this. And you said,
Right.
nah, this one is too high, this one is too low, right? All those kind of stuff. You just,
Hmm.
right? This is you can just go through this. Like I said, oh yeah, another thing very important, we said people intimidated with this will go, whoa, this is Apache, or F-23, F-30, flight jet, right? Can I even operate this? Right? So I always tell this is not Olympics, right? Okay, oh, you missed the 2 seconds. It's a huge difference. This one, we are comparing the first phase is you're comparing your human dispatcher and your
Right.
human technician, right? even you just spend 4 hours, not 4 hours, even the 1 hour, just quickly go through this. It might not be perfect. It might not be, 100% accurate. It's only 60% accurate, right? It's
That's
already
still
way better.
60% better efficiency. Yeah.
Way better. Yeah,
Right.
because most of the human just randomly choosing, right? It's
Right.
way better already. Then, we have this rejection function, right? So if they say one of your technicians are, no, I should not be dispatched with this ticket, right? They can reject it, and we ask them the reason why you reject it, right? So this is
Mhm.
verified, but I'm not familiar with this client,
Right.
right? We're like, so for example, you say, that's not a reason, right? You still need to look into it, do your best so you can get familiar, right?
Right.
Everybody only work with the familiar, then nobody work with the new client anymore, right?
Right.
So, so this is more like a training. But if your business says, yeah, you're right, right? If you're
Uh-huh.
not familiar with this client, we don't want you work on it, right? Then you can say, how can I quantify you're familiar with it or not? We say, yeah, if you assigned to that client team, right, then you're gonna work on
Hmm.
it. So we can say, hey, Daniel, you don't have a rules to say if current technician is in the team of assigned to this company, then add remove points, right? If that's
Right.
your you want to achieve,
That's
that's
it.
what we can help to say. Yeah, we only want the technician who's assigned to that team working on that one.
That's right.
Okay, let's translate it into some kind of data to describe that to make it happen, right? So
Right.
that's the how we can help you. That rules doesn't exist today. We say, okay, we can create it. But rest of them just keep going. The easiest way, just like go through a couple hours, just through to the technician, just start using it. No big deal. And
Hmm.
even and you can even just say, you know what? You talk with your dispatcher, you find out your dispatcher only care about 3 things,
Right.
right now. So you say, you know what? I'm gonna turn over everything else. I don't care about company status. I don't care about
Right.
this. I don't just there's 3 cents, so I can replace my dispatcher. Right? It's gonna same kind of quality. It's same kind of it's way faster, way better. Any shape of way you think about it, right? As long as you just spend a couple hours. Then from there, based on those feedbacks and today, oh, suddenly, that client is complaining about that ticket. What happened? Whoa, the next ticket moved so low. Oh, why the next ticket moved so low? Oh, we forgot about this reason. Add a rule, adjust it a little bit, then that problem never come back
Goes
again,
away. Right.
right? So it's a
Right.
one at a time. So you approach into the perfection, but you don't need to get a perfection, to start using it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Make sense?
It does. Absolutely.